I think it goes back to our ability to make sure that our systems and our features are enabling teams across the district to work together. So it's a librarian who needs to check out a device or a textbook to a student, but then the IT manager that also needs to know what devices are being used and what support or repairs need to be done on those. And so our tools are really helping them communicate effectively and work together without forcing them to take additional steps or process in order to share that information with each other. And I think the innovation piece that we're working on again is we've got some exciting things coming up with AI and some of the new suite of products with facilities that we're bringing in, really to help round out all of the work that administration does to just keep the district running and operating smoothly so that teachers can teach and students can learn.